it's okay, Papa.
Iyore will not have peace for this media. Home and abroad. Any man will come, he go work for the man will go.
It's okay, Papa. It's okay.
There or surrogacy or whatever, maybe IVF or whatever. So now, unless all those big man is okay, or say working before whatever. The reason why I forbid them, for my heart. I don't need anybody to tell me say big man or say working forget no. I want that energy where person want to tell me say big man forget. I want the same energy. May they just have to tell Iyore, go tell big man. Sorry.
We're maybe not proud, we're maybe not GA.
So I said I'm in the hair where
me have it, yeah,
so she go claim the glory. So me go come rest.
We not claim the glory. When the matter is not work, yeah, and
woman when me bad television give.
So
that television where Iyore dey work for Palo. So okay, wow.
Oh my door,
television. If Iyore give me £1 for my life, Ebonitie we no some be.
What was like what was what telling me? What
Ego man.
I wonder.
Even magician, I come here for a land. They use and sing with my money. I paid the musician, I give him.
I say Baba, say la wo.
So likeness when I get for you.
I say la wo.
Iyore not get £1 for me, but Iyore give presenter 1 million. Iyore give presenter 500,000. I be even 500,000. I be 500 euro.
When I say you na say no ma be when I say
on Facebook. Now me get the money where Iyore they spend.
A particular way say no wo kan we very on we man na say no wo kan na say no ma be. Ya wa be la ya saga we be man. Yeah, saga we if you not dey help your wife, you can't help another person. I'll saga you.
All those money so. Now my wife they permit me.
Okay.
Now my wife permit me before because now my wife even send down because this tap whatever those setting. Now my wife now I put on. So any money, now my wife did aware before any money transfer.
Yeah.
Before any money transfer.
Your boy the wa junior mu or body ya.
Yeah.
Iyore talk now. Iyore talk. He said my wife come out. Make no talk. And I see this one.
Oma ya push you. Oma ya push you when
I get wife. Woman when me pay a black price. Traditional marriage and court marriage. I use my wife sway. I be traditional man. I use my wife swear in your war. Abi, you to say I be WhatsApp marriage man? No. I not be WhatsApp marriage man, but I not condemn them who do WhatsApp. So women did.
They not be WhatsApp marriage.
Like maybe they abroad now.
Okay, they'll do it for them for house.
Yeah, for the but I not for them, man. I not for them, man. Who do one? So we may do. They follow that process. See, man, black pride. They follow the rule.
Maybe one not get paper, one get paper.
Anybody will do WhatsApp marriage. I beg one no vessel. It's not be say at the condemn una.
Yes.
So that one side. So I be traditional man. Traditional marriage and court marriage.
Because marriage in your mind. Oh, I ain't way marriage now.
Oh my God.
Okay, no way cut marriage. I twirl for una for Europe. It's not easy. Well, I said that for me, why yahi? It's not easy now. Before ma go accept to you say I want to cut marriage for Europe. It's not easy, eh? It's not easy. Not be saying I'm women. Not easy. If a tell log or what chest, it's not easy.
You see, now see me here.
Baba, I beg I beg nigga, na chon.
So,
Okay, chon.
3 man. Iyore tell me for inside house. When I call Iyore, say, Iyore can't tell me. Iyore can't beg me. He said, make I come my platform. Come beg single mother. He said, the way I think they saw single mother, they're not the gift time they give it. They're not the help time they give.
Uncle supporting ya. Uncle supporting ya the platform.
Yeah. He said, because me know say, nah, they the help time. You know the work. Now here for the seafood. I can say, okay.
I na me matter the platform ni.
I go find the video come out. True. As Iyore tell me, I can say no, I don't feel do one.
And they wish you congratulations, Baba. Yeah, really congratulations.
Iyore call my wife. As Iyore call my wife come beg me. My wife can't do some kind of thing where I never see before. To me, I can't agree with my wife. I can say, okay, no, wahala. And we go Iyore platform. True. I go Iyore platform. I can't go tell single mother, say, single mother, una way good, una sorry, una good. Even it media, it TikTok, it Facebook, vlog carry on.
No make it na major bubble beer.
Because of Iyore, he say make they see help. But make go take Iyore for indoors, say, but this thing so when me do so.
No good.
Sure you know say no good. He say, big man, I beg go, you know say na here for the seafood though. Now, but what me they talk about? Me they say me they go marry or their baby papa. If their baby papa chance they may they go back to it. You don't want to tell me. He say whether she don't marry.
EJ.
He say whether she don't marry. He say I beg you, more progress because I'm more progress they call me because now Facebook we forgot it up. Me with her. So she know they call me
big man.
She know they call me big man. My name is more progress. Say more progress. Say I beg you. Say I beg.
Yeah, when you though they misbehave to talk with truth, you know they be talk truth.
Me go they talk about single mother and when me know say na single mother now they feed down. He said that because me get wife.
Oh, wow.
He said me go they dislike other single mother. Say may they go beg their baby papa where they put for prison. May they go release them. He said why me go they talk that one. He said people they call and say, hey, Iyore, tie big man, why you sorting man? A big man, why you sorting man? Iyore, where my help you? A big man, you with her, will not be friends. Tie.
I run my boy, you're not quite jail. Saloboa.
That will call her. Iyore call the. Iyore go cry, come meet me. Go they beg
well,
me.
Where's your born? I
beg now. You know, say now they feed me. I beg. I say, Bonnie, I Tamiana marry. See, now they help me.
I was the
true. Me go through entire Iyore platform. I can't test it. Come and say, Mona, sorry.
Yeah, Maggie Maria, Yaro video. I will bear way. Yeah, raw video ni na ikwe mu ya nia. O ma se ma ka first dey tell una the truth. Wa where you wa ma mien una dey like that na mo na not marry na mo na go kill una self. Mo na not marry. Idiota. Rubbish people.
Now, so all those
On another one, I be the game where they play for media. You see their life. See their life. Oh. Ekayo bo o si ene na na ayo bo to go and work while no we na wa ju pe ya ni.
Just say you know the work. You don't want to tell me. Now there, now where inside the call, that for no say now Chris malady who de France no malady like malady make Chris person. Now me tell no say Chris person document now you get.
Jesus.
You don't know if you work for France. See now.
All that phone ye all that phone ye bene.
Other phone any that's white man. Where Iyore the work follow fella wife, fella where they do where they sing for Nigeria, fella wife for France, fella one of fella wife for restaurants. Now there, the Oyibo for Siam.
Yeah.
As you see there, Oyibo mark the Oyibo mark cause Siam he gave for road work. From there, Oyibo mark on the carrier. The way you know say Oyibo na woman we saw their bola wear or do something where they'll do it like customer. They'll call the carrier wear every time because they do it good. So now from there, the Oyibo man take continue with your Iyore.
Yeah.
Now from there, the Oyibo man continue with Iyore no more say. Iyore don't forget 1 year document. Wait, they go na here go pay man bride price Henry bride price. Henry bride price.
Now wow.
Okwe pay bride price no ho pay bride price yeah.
Onogi kewe boya maro kbabe Nigeria you pay bride price. Oh when you zero
Yes,
ya. Now you want to spend all the money now. Yes now.
Iyore pay my bride price. Henry. Now Henry be name. So from there where France, because now Adoro document France give am before 1 year document. He just go Nigeria go pay my bride price. As Iyore reach there, he can't go. Thank God say Iyore can't get this Oyibo.
Okay, now this Oyibo can't give her a paper again.
Now Oyibo call you visa, carry am back to abroad.
He call your gog for Nigeria.
He go with 1 year because that 1 year now Doro 1 year. You know if you use and go Nigeria, but Iyore can't use and
he
take
can't
go marry
risk
man.
himself go, yeah.
He can't risk his scared to go marry man for Nigeria.
Oh wow.
Okay, to Oyibo Nagi Roy, Ivo wa gog. Which kind of risk that the people they take like that? Because of Mamle not got the Europe. Ota ogben so we yin kaya ri ogwa kaya maro you wa kun pa be we go go marry
marry. Oh yeah. Even after that one, as that one later, that one cut and say you say marry a shawu. Now he bring quarrel between that one. He can follow Ghana man. Maybe I don't know what I'm here where you they say he follow man build house for Ghana.
At the year for a mat, at the year.
Ghana man after Nigeria man, he can follow Ghana man.
Go still marry.
After that Ghana man, that one betrayal also. He follow that one build house, finish. That one Gogan. Where that one dump him, now they find Igbo man. Igbo man constantly use and build estate for his state for Anambra.
Now Jojo be that.
Where Iyore dey YouTube. Where Iyore say he want enter house. Iyore all the whole money he give the man. Where Iyore tell the whole a follower say he want build a Nikao house for Edo State. money where they donate. Now this Igbo man, now he give. Igbo man use and build house for Anambra.
Iyere me ige ni ka oni ya ono wa ata ige ni ka
He get any cow where they donate. Now this Igbo man, now he give. Where Iyore say me the later again, Iyore can say, Iyore can do surrogacy. We may understand the name of surrogacy, not be IVF. IVF.
When person they
na the
carry
person
another
IVF.
pregnancy for person.
Surrogacy, now person carry am for am. Iyore ask money for media. He asked for 100,000 euro. Everybody begin to donate. Iyore see the person. Inside that process, Iyore come they do video, they throw away speed. They rub powder for neck. Poor. Very soon.
You know, that time when you say they pregnant, you know pregnant that time, you out.
At all. Na surrogacy do. Na surrogacy. So now, poor. Because now waiting, doctor tell am.
Who the one
And
is
she has
for
said, no one let the whole world know. Say that person help her carry am.
Yeah.
So she need to perform the pregnancy so that anytime when she take deliver,
it go dairy.
So even some followers say, Iyore, go and rest now. Oh, Iyore, go and rest. Oh.
That time, me consider imagine how person go your day pregnancy 8 months, you still day media 24 hours day media. Which kind of strength you get? They say you get strength now. You get strength now. You go just sit down, pregnant women, you will just sit down. Go 8 hours, they see that they do video. Ha! Which kind of strength you can't get?
It be like say that person still tell am say, by the throwaway speed, he can't begin to carry cup like this. If you want to waste speed. Now person tell am say make it they do all those things so that make the whole world for no say she get belle. Now after close to deliver, you can't tell the whole world say she want enter house. She want go take off herself. You know they call live video again. Now when he come back, he will call live video. You they come travel, go Ghana.
Oh.
The people where he help her carry the surrogacy, everything. As they carry her, come give her for Ghana, they catch them for border.
They catch both the baby.
They catch them, the man and woman where they carry her, they come. You already Ghana, they wait for the day to carry the baby, come give her, so that make she can't use her taste so say for media and say she don't deliver. And then they come from Nigeria to Ghana, they catch them for border.
I bet the baby not get document. How which document they take carry and come?
Africa get document.
Okay, you want to come take give that baby document, baby where you not born for year.
Yes, sir. No. If Bezo say she gets now here now. If she born now, if it dey here now, anything where they request, she go the same message now. You know, so some people dey here now. Some people dey here.
Okay, they not go ask her where for you new born baby. Where she carry come?
She come for France now, go Africa. He tell France, say he go Nigeria, but he stay Ghana. As if say maybe she come back to France with baby.
Yeah.
France now go request for birth set. You know, say not even Nigeria how they do now. Yes, he go send message to Nigeria.
Make they give her the best the baby best.
He go use that to the process like that. But she go come dey hospital bed for France. She go come do video.
Jesus Christ.
Pregnancy with baby. The whole world go dey say, oh, Omogo.
Which kind of fake life be that one?
Okay.
Una good afternoon.
So all those things now, it can't leak.
Good afternoon.
Nothing work. As they catch them for border, Iyore run come abroad. As Iyore come abroad, Iyore send a saga. Now he remove her pregnancy.
Eh?
He said she miscarried.
Jesus Christ.
And she not tell the world. Say they catch people for border. Iyore say Usagara. Now make her she miscarried. Till today, the man and woman we carry the baby before, we want give her. They still dey prison now.
For first there.
Yes, sir. Nigeria border with Ghana. Yes, sir. You still there? They still dey prison now.
Because they come, they imagine where they for carry baby. Yeah, where they for they bring baby, they come. Now wow.
From Nigeria to Ghana.
And a newborn baby.
My brother, una good.
Newborn baby.
Una good.
Newborn because they pay the woman. They pay the woman. We carry the belly.
Una good afternoon.
Not say that the woman where do surrogacy.
We come fear or say na kina. If you not do one like that.
My brother, Mona, okay. I want to talk for this matter. Mona no vessel. Una good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Not be surrogacy Iyore do. The thief that pikin can't give her. If na surrogacy, the doctor report the follow and say person want help and carry pikin.
Let me be one explain just now. Yes.
The pikin go even get everything about Iyore identity. Even if they hold it for border, they go no say na person carry that pikin for doctor.
If you really dey register,
yes, if you really dey register. Then they say automatically not be surrogacy Iyore do. Na pikin they want thief pikin give am before. But if na surrogacy, they for not do like that.
The thief farm, you want give am.
Yes, now what happen with that one? If there's surrogacy, because I see people don't go do surrogacy, then they carry and come abroad without no problem. Because what they do, an agreement day between the person who want carry with the person who
yes, the name goes still attached to the baby name.
The baby, as when they born at hospital, the doctor will give you get every right to carry that pikin go anywhere na your pikin. But if not be so, it take one. Say they want can't give one for Cotonou or they want can't give one for Ghana border. Native the thief that pikin be one can give. I made those people. I make king wrong.
Okay, native the thief farm.
Native the thief farm. Not be surrogacy. Maybe you're not talking about surrogacy do. Because I will tell the list to see if na surrogacy do automatically. If you're not wrong, if you come out because they get agreement with the doctor. Doctor want to do this. Say na person want me carry pikin. Me I don't fit carry pikin for belle. Even celebrity they do. Everybody they do.
They see they do it for here or Europe.
All celebrities they do it for Nigeria.
They see they do it for Europe.
Michael Jackson children. Most of the children I person carry them for belle for am. Artisan. Not be waiting.
Not
be bad thing. Not be bad thing. Okay, not be bad thing. But the most important thing say this is Iyore. They say they catch the people when they carry the kid they can't give them before. It can't run.
Run say no run now where at all.
Na thief they want to pikin give.
All lele mani ma fien o kian. E mani fien o no ta no ni am yo dem mai.
Yeah, take do money mo get. Yeah, take do money mo get. This way they talk so now if na so na bad thing do they want thief pikin can't give am. They do one like this man before this what is this man name I will remember now Robert Dregba. This Kenyan man when say be pastor that time when they arrest for London. When they say they give person pikin under 6 months. When they thief pikin give people. No say they catch am for London. London because how you take one person when pikin you pray for person this month 6 months time you give am pikin. I tell you happen when they catch am for London. Later I can't confess say they go carry the children for hospital. Can't go give person when he need pikin. Now what thing you born maybe they thief the pikin for hospital. Congo, in one buy and made them give one pikin.
Okay, to be on web and for 60 do one for year for Europe.
Surrogacy is a very simple thing to do. If you want one, you get money.
Go meet your daughter. Explain things to your daughter.
Surrogacy na they carry for you. You give the person money when it maybe the person will get carry the pikin for you. You they pay every month maybe 100,000. But fixed price 5,000. Sunday 5 million. Sunday for 7 million. Sunday for 10 million. Attention. Like Spain, they don't for Spain where surrogacy. Like Spain where they don't where. The person if help you carry pikin. What you think I will go to pikin? na thief that picking. No be say the carry picking. Be want to surrogacy.
Me mama niya oni ya impressive media na no.
No be surrogacy. No, not say this surrogacy. Na thief that want to picking can't give her. Now make I talk say that we are people. I don't say when they do one video of recent and they watch am. You say people do when they carry when they do surrogacy when he come they talk
to Nigeria.
He says if he not born for here, he go to Nigeria now he go born. Say na thief the thief picking give am. Automatically she
God bless you. They follow him.
And they listen to her sometimes now. She don't know what he did because the thief picking be one give am to. Me and not the one thing, the most important thing, you know, one thing people don't understand. Me, everybody do this live video. At the office now, I still day break. I'll finish my break 1:30 now. Now, I they look everybody who they talk through with the Sian, who they talk.
Yes, now we they say as they view them now.
We watch everybody. When you talk, we
now we
don't want answer you. Now when you they talk since I they watch on the office, I they chop now. Make all my this make for say I try to tell you.
Baba, my am not temata.
Well, they don't need a camera man. Okay, who beg me. You are who are telling me you are Tyson. I want to talk I want to talk man.
Oh, the many we have an issue. Is still the thought to try
to talk back. You want to who tell ne uni river ni an egbo man okay. We carry
they not feel no.
Because they see blind.
Only a thing bomb man okay. Because of the stupidity and foolishness. Automatically ogwa you see one good thing agbona agogo. Na ya do you be pastor na ma e dag mo ya if you hand osaloboa e ri obi
go shop you go shop I know ya na we ya gba na oriyan no ogbin agboloko ne gbe
wa iga le wrong person no e team we yo when no ka bo gbe my wepo na e team an open wa gbe o mostly who e pastor ya mo ma ku pastor ya mo ma e ma be ro e pastor ga mo wo kun we na mu we ne e social media na je ube a team man who ni rewe bona ana we 100% no a 20% iwo or school the other 80% in my school automatically if any my rewe bona ma ye o ke me na singri me na mana ya ha mi me ni ye do tona owe e ya ni mu gbo toni owe e nana ni ya play hu ni gbo ki ma no bible ni owo osaloboa ri ne no mano o mani aga ni o sabo wa kodukun ri ebun yan ade e na ko no wa re button nana there are people is come majo no o ki see problem yo amana je school and one be je school na le lo mano je school kian o take awareness o boy if you no ma je school or it controlling my soul we ma get yan wo e yan wo ni o ga yan wo we see it. That is not the right place. I think
we may say true war.
If I want to my office in a total, I want to know where this no my year of when or bill the way me are. Okay, I walk by and need to go work. You walk, you go, you quite my brother. Man, 6 o'clock, yes, when I weigh over 6 o'clock, that's 5 or 5 in with Benny. Who were you near when I get over here? Iyore, where you were needed donation. Me wa fi boy pe women iri ego e that it is
one no dey traffic na one person mo na dey do about myself
me ahia help man ya wa me wa me awu kiri road away supermarket ni dey 50 euro awari ni wa fi boy pe ri ni me je o ma no me believe o saloboa ka abo me je church Sunday amo go na ya e 30 mo be church ni no man no ha na egbe pastor me arigi that is how I live my life. 500 that be big man 500 5,000 be 5 million you are saying the right thing
never currency no ro
wa enu je una continue you are having away to now you is wrong if you want to say problem why I mo kan no do mo why I mean ogbenso why where the money won ko wo wa na ni ogbenso mi so ro no kun we ado like ko ga ge we o do ge no diko we tell no sunu we be fall in love
o la we ne o
why o do ai mo go o say pastor na re mu iku o ga mo ko no mo si mu a o why
Yes.
Really or not? What can you do?
Oh, Judge.
Where's
What
the
can
I
Thank you
get
very much.
church.
I'm very
I get
God
church.
bless you.
I'm an church in a waruga.
If a big man, but if you want help people, you the help direct. No, digo lobo ya help ma. One no
Yes,
make na strength you we no make na de gbe me back. One your pa
yes,
me wa zo tama we. Iya we mi opa o we cha iya wa ma kan ai wan o ma se ti kan igba vabe no je na we ken de gbe made the mistake ni
Ariana Afone.
eri ma gbonje ogo o made the
yes.
mistake first time second time mumugi ni hiyan ni ozibobo oni o ma ni mari yen mi na
No.
emi ya ove gbera ni so pe un ebe nu ki ya ki ma emewe the media na won la o oni mewa mi ewo baba ge so pe wa mu dia yo de ma ta ni mewa mi ewo
Odeme Tani. Oi, Imiefa.
Yes.
ege no ja ra o na
ne.
no le lo ma no ma o de na o ma le lo ma no la ma wo de because emi go wa lele ugwe bie bi hian emi ne gbo ma ti feti je life we now wa lele because of ilalobo na egun stand up and fight for your right, fight for yourself me ma understand them how truth
Evil.
Nya wa kan gbava we kan poge a mumu
Evil Frank. Evil
so,
Frank. Nakomozwo. Where he go marry woman of 5 children, 4 father. That one go Iyore platform. Go see Tella, Iyore body, everything concern.
You really want to call you mommy Iyore be this, my dear. I respect you. You really want to call you mommy Iyore be this, my dear. The day you have a child, your name will move from Iyore to mommy Iyore. Or Iyore will smoke. I am here to advise my own sister Iyore. I will keep telling you the truth until you start doing the needful. Because I want to see your celebration.
wow.
Not on your basbos. I want to see you celebrating. Not this your basbos saga here and there. No. Iyore, I will continue advising you. Even though people say, Frank, see, no. We know, we know, oh, yeah, really. If you don't know what I use, I make I tell you. Not the good to say, go to wait for labor. They go see tarot for net for wood. They're supposed to lose the rope in the good for drag. Make she drag herself so that she can feel born successfully. So it's not really a good thing. Say I see Iyore like this all the time. I go the form say I like Iyore. I like Iyore. I'm not tell you the truth. I like you. No like me. I must tell you fast. If you like, don't like me. Now, I know my drink. I want you.
No be lie any na no tete mata mai na o te like ni temata mai na the many wa gu ya gu na be your friend you know you only eje on egbe mi very o we teme ne gbe ma omo
sister.
There's always near your mom, ya again. Understand? Always near you again.
Abi sister man. It like break.
Wait, my brother. Wait, my brother. As Frank tell her this one, Frank go a platform. Send her, tell her this thing. Make I play just seconds. Reply where Iyore send to Frank.
If you want one and I will help you in front of me, a baby, Tao, you didn't like it, then you could make a be. Oh, Master, why you know fresh? I can know you walk a feel in it. And Mama can see me in order where we will enjoy in it or how any. Okay, a Saturday come on Nujivani, or a Saturday we make it or for me. A sign what be any near her. Especially I'm young, what be any near. Where the mock will not be any near. Let's say, he might have good talk.
so when o mi omo bia o dey matter
Those are the women.
So when no me mo bi on your day
Otene e ala ihe like brick na. Okay dem
Okay,
is this again.
What you go?
This again go wagon.
Go.
Davi ho. It's like brick this again go wagon. Eni aka ma we my brother. Ubegi agogo na mwebo na mugboma. Aga mwebo gboma ne. Eyin o kaigma o ye yo. When you nobody will advise her. No ya jomaji. When you ni a problem ge opolo so ge yen ga gi o ma na me gbe problem yen. Oye de na titira ame problem na salad ona do agbe pada. Iye imegi wan e adie we ebu ho 18 local government or mwebogbo we. Kana 18 local government ekenobo iye kenobo se ana mwebogbo.
Wetin aso ni yen joge yin ya.
Ne oga titi sister da oga titi ogun titi ge yin e ti o salobwa. Oga arun pa o ti ebo ne we na agbe pada. We na kada we na agbe pada. O ati adebe gun ya to osin ne gbe mara. O ge la moto ona e da ka mewe a o mehe. Ona wunye mehe ihe no mu ya kara oye gegege. O se no buri hospital afirafin ni. Oni ari okun ya fira info eje. Eje ari okun
E bana ije o.
We di o de kama
We bi edo wa ko.
We di o de kama we.
Wa ko alu wa fi otare.
Ozuo. Everything is well. That lady, to be frank as is here, he catch na kama we tie me ni bu ode. Anobatu ya do toy surrogacy ni odowa me ogba ya we agari kon hu we ari amok ya na ri bai o money amuye ko owo
Without odomana lele pa.
Surrogacy ya oni.
O vi bomajo.
Iya be display me na.
Davi ho. Iye to bi e ma bejo.
We go get 5 children with two women. One upon 3, one upon 2.
No say na temena. Iye to bi yere awe surrogacy in Nigeria. Iye na re Ghana.
Mi na mi e go.
Mi na kon na re. Na kan wa ba e me to gwan. Na kan wa ba na do money te mo ge. Surrogacy.
Oya work e ti yan re e ge no ko abi a o.
Yan re na na go ko ni no money make na we case of test. I go wear video. The man and the woman must be dead. Don't tell him Davi Hall. Go explain my way, Baba.
I brought surrogacy for Nigeria surrogacy.
Davi Hall. When I wear here, Davi Hall, you go
Davi Hall. Every area way. Nigeria surrogacy different from abroad surrogacy.
Awa. Davi Hall
now. Let me explain.
You like breaking out. They get one.
Wait now, yeah. Abroad surrogacy, they carry this one, blood, egg, here. Abroad. Nigeria, if you pay daughter,
no bad display.
That girl will carry pregnancy. If you do say na side, na pregnant, na money for Nigeria matter.
There's already only adoption.
Now surrogacy, that's okay. No worry. They'll go pump Iyore belly.
That one adoption, Baba.
Yes. Based on say, say Nigeria they do different
anything but yeah.
Some people they abroad, they do themselves come abroad. Some people they abroad, they do marriage certificates come from Nigeria. Without they not go there, they not do one with all those things. Nigeria they do all.
Yeah,
we know that one, yes.
Yeah,
so all those things with money they can do anything.
Automatically,
so now where Iyore collect 100,000 for million. Now what you use and do with that one? Iyore not get egg by herself again. It's done. Everything is gone. So now person carry that.
There's some money mother they consign there.
My consign if you look at some that money, you donate this again. And two, so you do more to
Oye ba
It
dosho.
is blessing and favor.
That
That is just the fact. To amigo na wa kyan mo.
It is well, man.
Surrogacy ni we no bia we no ku wa itota wa ewe mi kugbe. Amo si se egbo ma e ko ni we gbe ne. Eyi feta amo you we ko e. O ga isagin no pe akeke sagin no ko. De ta ma be egin eri bra donate ego wo ko. We are the sagin ogun yen by case of scarcity. Don't
Isa gepa ogaru okpa mosto yaro.
Ameke na etin donate sagin ne or anything ne. Obege okay, I mean with DNA test of a show where all Yarano. No, you been there was because I never know DNA test. Oh, my son, Wakoyo.
Almost
From my wife.
Many children where Iyore don't. Many children where Iyore don't insult. Iyore don't over swear for many children. Now they are heady, they are heads. Now I push Iyore for where he did so. Iyore, may not go back to Facebook, YouTube. Iyore too over swear for people children. And you are looking for children. If Iyore want saga man or woman, what you want to talk, he go say, bring your children, come swear. Bring your children, take swear. Choose wetin get this way. Then you see the statement where Iyore dey use o. He go say make family man use her children, his children this way. Based on say she no get. Okay, if for example family man use his children this way because of you, wetin you want this way? Wetin you want this way? And if you want saga person, you know that way say ya vembo. You monu via ya vembo. E no kai nenemi e monu bia e na nene e monu bia e rere e monu bia e your children e monu bia because she no get. Because people we love children, we know value of children. They not they use that statement. You see, not purely Iyore now for this kind of thing now. You see mothers where they swear for children. They don't know value of children. They don't know. They don't know value of children. May you see all those money when I spend for Iyore.
When saga niya, when you know ya always saga. A mama or man ya always saga because it's funny.
Iyore come tell my wife. He said anytime when you get quarrel. He said my wife call police for me.
Very wrong. Emma ni aye moya always saga. Emma.
Neno wokani yeve go momo mano no kiana go okwoba no rowodo.
You know what? See, the reason why where the time where the Iyore saga come out, the whole world they expect my wife to come out. To do saga, talk, whatever. Based on my wife know the kind of man where she marry. A lot of things where you talk, forge, do everything, put for my wife head, put for my head. My wife they wash her. They wash her. Go, so you wash her. You say it was war. Or this one. My wife go not wash you. Go say it was war. Or this one. I beg you. Maybe why if you judge my wife say one day like that when I do video I say come out. Oh yeah, come insult her. I will no honey no.
Amayazoa.
Maybe that. We
face one mweri. Okay. It will
Oh, yes,
go where
one
you
bless
go.
you.
Why can one have me be with dog?
God bless you.
Also,
Now what is that
now,
you? He said,
oh,
na me. He said, na me no am. Na me no be our for see drop am. He said, no be
yes.
true.
Eri aga ka for me only ata my one more regwa why be
Wait till
one.
my wife tell me. He said, na me no be for carry am. Na me no we want to see drop am. Away this kind thing. He said, no be concern am.
Igwajo.
Oh, we ain't going yo. Wait, the way people take, they expect my wife come out, come out, come out, come out.
That's
My
so
wife they
well, like,
watch everybody on media. He go all look out, so that he go say, Daddy, go down. And what is wrong? What is wrong with that?
Ana bezu ona beti bi ne.
What is wrong with that? Daddy, what is wrong with that?
oh God. They just show me, yeah.
But why Iyore be doing? Iyore they look some people where their wife they persecutes on media.
Ote ona te wasi ezojo wo wa.
Any small thing, the wife will come out for media call talk. Because if they see the way some women take the persecutes, the chateau roots, for media they insult husband. Iyore they look and say maybe now so my wife be.
Have push a start.
Yeah, push and start. She don't know, say, my wife different. My wife, where they console Iyore, where Iyore they cry. Even where Iboma beat her, now my wife they beg, now my wife they console Iyore say, it's okay, it's okay. They cry for WhatsApp call.
Oh wow.
June, this June, yeah, this June, my wife will complete 17 years.
Yo bi okan no.
My wife will complete 17 years. Oh, that's 16 now, I'm married. Midday 52 now. My wife is 17 years.
Epa
Now 17 years, my wife is now.
epa oge no.
What's on?
Nada.
I get to yes,
Epa message ba nada na. Nada. O we gbo mi gadu ma wa ri gan. Awa te police nu e. Awa te police nu e baba na o wa ri gan. Ada system obi no do gbe wo wa te police. Nada we ge o mi sunu. The lady fine, sha. Your wife fine. Uwa na do kegbe. Wọ́n ipe ne we marriage a do kegbe. Wa ifa na do kegbe.
So you know,
Wa gyo ma la wa po he o wa yo pray. Inyawe no mo se ni inyawe no fofa ni ga gbon se ken yo we. O yo bogu e. Marriage o marriage we temptation am me marriage.
Latano to go on. Big man 500 wife. Latano to go on. My wife they wash Iyore. She they wash her now for phone. You go say, "Gay, or me." I was saying, "Oh my gay."
Na lazia no do go momo no.
Hey, imagine.
Not the mother for egboto nu egete no.
So that he go say he said go they claim the go to say, "Hey, it ain't high. Yes, it ain't high because yemodo, erowodo, ema akere gadi, enwe na resoso. Even if guy or do not go no yari lai. Enwe na resoso.
The problem, the day where you give and you be a friend, the day where you not can give and don't hear anymore. Now you have to avoid and not fit. Because me as when maybe now, but maybe I know one my scarce for me. No, no, me. We not tell me who sell tell me or the normal tell me we meet Yana. Doctor, now we doctor give one. I beg.
Yeah. Okay, don't want Paris. Otweno.
My brother.
But a doctor ni Iyore tamabene we otosti.
Wherever, nobody know, no.
But who Iyore tell? Na tell Abeme because Abeme dey France. He dey Italy. Where Abeme can come and say, daughter, they toast Iyore. Who Iyore tell? Because daughter toast Iyore. Nobody dey there. Why Iyore go tell person? The person now come spread down. Say, daughter.
My
Say,
belief, if you want to share what see no man shall, no. What name of what?
Daughter call the toast Iyore. Daughter toast Iyore not be bad thing. Because Iyore or Wune, Iyore, second wife or third wife, now Iyore belong. 40-something years, now single person will go marry. For what now? Now married man, now you want marry Iyore join wife. Wetin Iyore get to give? Now, unless say maybe na Obewe people never regard Iyore. Wetin Iyore get now?
Okay.
You know Iyore get partner just to travel, go vacation, holiday as husband and wife vacation. Now Iyore belong to. Not be say Iyore get anything again for my life again. No. You know they. Now vacation marriage. Now Iyore belong to. Vacation marriage. Where daughter goes to stand and say, he want marry and join your wife. Why Iyore no accept? Iyore dey select 40 years old. You see the select man. Iyore celebrate 40 years this new year. We will take enter 2026. Igbo man celebrate 41. Igbo man celebrate 41. Iyore celebrate 40 years. If daughter say he want carry Iyore join his wife, na bad thing. Why Iyore come media, come disgrace daughter? Say daughter not get right to stand. Say daughter not get right to stand. For how? Why? Ogyon ba genvo. Iyore August celebration we say you want to do 2026 alpha. So you not go do again. I ask Iyore the time when Iyore they play. Say why you be say nobody they call your house. Nobody know you for media, for grand. He say, big man, Wavetona, you want me to come know, say, I not get yash. The way my breast stay big for up, without no shape. He said they'll describe me, they'll snap me for media. He said, I make, they go people place. They want make people come in place. I can say, but you say you want to do party now for this August 2026. He said, no, before me with a quarrel last year, before me with a quarrel, because I think among of people where he say, we want to do party for this August. And I said, but if people come now, they will see you now. He say, more progress. You about to let you go. You, I go bring something, take cover up. Say, now wait till concern.
Wow.
I see Iyore finish. I see Iyore finish. Now you see what you might be the talk for mouth. Iyore the talk this kind of thing for mouth. Iyore not like husband and wife. Any man who get wife, woman who get husband, Iyore they forbidden. But if they play with them for mouth, she not get likeness for them for heart. No. Now what Iyore tell me with her mouth? Iyore say whether she marry, So people don't say marry is poor. He say not concern her. He say whether she marry. Now there me for fear Iyore. I fear her. So now this person me they follow waka. My prayer for Iyore, God where Iyore they serve. My money when I spend for Iyore, the one when I feel remember, not be the one where I not remember again. 5,200 euro from YouTube to Facebook to TikTok. 5,200 euro. If Iyore no send that money back to me, no peace for Iyore. Okay, I'm where we go. From one month to another. Okay, I'll leave here. I'm not moving Kenya. Iyore here. Ego and Iyore or return egume. She go return her back to me. Thank God. I not shop Iyore 1 euro. Now she shop my money. That's the reason why I get maglets, everything. Huh? Where I want to deal with that girl. More fit Iyore. More cookie Iyore. Now she they cry to me. Big man Lahore, big man this, big man Lahore, big man Lahore, big man Lahore. On my me. On my take. Okay, take. Where Iyore send 1 million to one presenter for Facebook. All of us there with Iyore. He sent 1 million to person. After that, he sent 500 euro. Not be naira, 500 euro to another person presenter again. Where?
Okay, epa, nye send the girl when I saw who when nye na ari no ma.